Hi, today we will write pi, Omicron, Sigma, Delta and Epsilon, online and offline, just with some simple codes. So first, pi. Press Alt and 227. Done. Now Omicron, same way, Alt and 335. And now Sigma, Alt 229. Delta, Alt 30. And now Epsilon, Alt 238. Done. Now you can simply memorize those or can use any of them in your work, online and offline as well. This was the part 2. You can watch our first part from the description and from the end description too. Soon we will upload part 3 and so on. Please be with us and subscribe. Goodbye.